Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy TAC token on Binance Alpha. So as you know, TAC just get listed on Binance Alpha and I will show you how to buy it. First you can open your Binance apps and then go to but you have to sign in first. After that you can go to your search box here in the top. Then you can search TAC. You can search it. And then as you can see there is TAC on Alpha. You can click it. And this is the charge, guys. It's not really bad, I think, because it's new token, so it's down. And if you want to see the details, you can click info here in the top. You will see 24-hour high, low, and also the volume. Also you can see the audit here. It's good. And if you want to buy it, you can just click charge here in the bottom. Then you can choose limit order or instant buy. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.